Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make caramel topping for pudding. Start by gathering your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Make sure you have a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a heat-proof spatula, and a heat-resistant container ready. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and successful caramel making process. We're aiming for a rich, golden topping that will elevate any pudding. Now, combine the sugar and water in your saucepan. Stir gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have dissolved. This initial step is crucial for preventing crystallization. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let the mixture boil. Resist the urge to stir, as this can cause the sugar to crystallize. Keep a close eye on it. In about 8 to 10 minutes, it will transform into a lovely amber color. As soon as your caramel reaches that beautiful amber hue, take it off the heat immediately. This prevents it from burning. Now, carefully add the 2 tablespoons of butter. Be cautious, as the mixture will bubble vigorously. Stir quickly and continuously until the butter is fully melted and incorporated, creating a smooth, glossy caramel. This step adds richness and helps prevent the caramel from hardening too much. Let your delicious caramel topping cool for at least 15 minutes before drizzling it over your favorite pudding. It will thicken beautifully as it cools, achieving that ideal pourable consistency. If you have any left over, store it in an airtight container at room temperature. It will keep well for up to 2 weeks. Should it become too firm, a gentle reheat in the microwave or a saucepan will bring it back to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.